Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some electric heated insoles for my shoes, and I got these for like when I ski and stuff like that, but for in the meantime, I'm gonna try it on my Hey Dude style shoes. They are not Hey Dudes, they are generic. But okay, I'll show you guys what it all comes with, and we will set it up. So here we go. We have two of the insoles here. Let's open that up. So these are them here. Let's slide back a little bit. And I'm going to aim you down so you can actually see what I'm doing. There we go. Okay, you can still see me. Okay, so here we go. So we have 1, 2 of them here. So these are going to be what goes in there. I think I'm going to have to cut them down. They have the cutters on there. So I will do that because I am a size like 8. And then here are the instructions for it, and we can pair it to our phone, which we don't have currently either, but I'll show you guys what we got here. So we have batteries and some wires and things like that. So the way it's going to work is that this is going to attach around our ankles, and then they will plug in through a USB-C port here, and then it will heat up on there. But let's go ahead and give these things just a try here and see how we do. Well, I guess I'm going to do that. Let's see, how do we turn these on? All right, there's the power button. Do I have to hold it down? I do. And it looks like it's got the different levels. I'll show you guys what it's got here going on. You can see the lights. It's got 25, 50, 75, so it comes 75% charge, which is nice. And then it's different levels, 1 through 4 of the different lights there to give it the different heats. And we'll give this a try here. I'm just going to put this on the floor and step on this and just see if I get some heat out of it. Well, I set up the other one here. Oh, yeah, I do feel some heat. So these are cool. So these are going to be able to heat up underneath your feet. So how cool is that? And it comes with, I'll show you the rest of it here. It comes with a charger, and then the charging block here will be a USB to 2 USB-Cs, so we'll be able to charge both these batteries simultaneously. So let me go ahead and cut these things down to my size, and I'll stick them in my shoes, and I'll show you guys how it fits in there, and we'll give that a try. It's getting warm down there on my foot. Funny, I was standing on it and it got hot. Okay, for the purposes of this demonstration, I decided to go with some shoes that were a bit more substantial just because those other shoes are just not the best, but I cut them out. You can see this is how much I cut off, so I cut it to a size 9 because my shoes are a size 9. Let's aim you guys down and you can see my feet. Hopefully with this now. So I will stand over here, and I have them in here. You can see I've got them in each of the sides. The Velcro is tied to itself, but I'm going to go ahead and put my feet inside. I guess I left them on. It's very hot. Okay, so it is on, and let me unbuckle this here, and we will put this around my foot. How do I want to do this? I guess like this. I mean, I would normally be wearing socks, but I'm just not wearing socks so you guys can see what these look like. So there's that. And on this one here, go around there. I've got decent sized calves, I think that's what it is, so they're gonna hold up, but you get the idea. Man, it's so hot. I gotta turn it down, but oops. So let me put my foot in there. Okay, so this is kind of how it will look. So I've got them here. If I had ski boots on or something, they would be long enough to be above them. Man, let me push the button here. How do I? Okay, so I can push it. Okay, there we go. So now I just have it on 1. I had it on all the way up, and it's just too hot in there. My feet are already probably sweaty. But it totally heats up. I can feel it heated up all the way back to my toe and all the way back. I don't know if my heel even has any feeling in it, but I feel it there. So it is in there. It fits in there great. Fits in these shoes perfect. And that's kind of how it is. Let me show you guys it here. Let me take it out for a second. And it comes with a little pull tab there, that little tab right there. So you can pull it out to remove it. And this is what it looks like here. You can see I didn't do the best job cutting it, but I cut off that much of it. So, but it fits good and it heats up great. And And it's nice. It even has a little bit of padding. I decided to take out my original padding, but I probably could have put it over it anyways. It's the same size. That's how I knew to cut it to that size. I could have put it over there if I wanted extra padding or whatever, but it has its own. So I don't know which way I'll leave it, but it's cool. I like these. One other thing I just wanted to say is it has an app for it, which I did install on my phone, but the problem is I'm using my phone to video this. But it does have the app, and you can just control basically the heat. You can turn it on and off from there. I don't know. I would probably just push the buttons on it because they're going to be on my ankles anyway. But I guess if you had long pants on or something that were covering it, you could use that app to control it, and that would give you that ability as well. So there you go. Pretty cool. Thumbs up.